Craig, what are you doing? Nothing. I need a fork, please. He's doing nothing, walking up and down. At least I gave him something to do, you see?
And I did it straight away.
Yeah, job creation. Thank you, Craig.
You're welcome, Chef.
Alright, now we're going to do our salmon. Alright. That's fresh, nice and beautiful. Very nice portion. Right. Make sure you fold your salmon. Then open it a little bit. Pepper. Of course, other side. I need a pan, please. Some olive oil. In the meantime, while I'm waiting for my pan to eat and everything, I'm going to do prawns potato. I chop my prawns, just roughly. Roughly chop, ready. I've got chopped onions. I've got garlic. Garlic always go with onion. Right. Skin side, please. And don't be in a rush of turning your fish. You must leave it a little bit. While it's cooked, then you turn it around. You see? The skin is nice and crispy. As you can see, this salmon, it's cooked. Alright, now I'm going to do my prawn potato, some onion and garlic, some spring onions, with some coriander there, please. Fresh spring onions. Put back on the heat. Your potato, you take a fork and just boil your potato. When it's done, you crush it with a fork. Nice and brown. Then I put my potato inside. Pepper, more than salt, cook it beautifully. Your prawns inside. Chop some coriander. Just chop it once. You don't chop like. Chop it once to keep the flavor of the coriander. Roughly. That's it. In your potato. Beautiful. Of course, salmon goes very well with this. Some frozen peas. Fresh one, anyway. Woohoo! Something is cooking, yeah. Man, you must come here and have dinner, Sean. You must come here and have dinner. This is on my new menu that's coming on the 1st of November. This is gonna be my dish, and this is my signature dish because I love fish so much. I cannot go a week without fish. I love fish. Just give a color, a texture, and a taste as well. Very good combination. Easy to plate. take your potato, just a little bit, and your fish comes on top. And yeah, you take your cherry tomatoes, you just cut them in half, some olive oil, salt and pepper, thyme, and garlic. You crush garlic, you put it in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Then it's gonna be nice, like fresh, dry tomatoes. Good. Some salad of watercress, some dressing in it, very fresh, herbs on top. There we go. Salmon with prawn potato. Sounds cool. Goodbye, guys. This is mine. Yeah, thank you. Louis, keep it for me. Please don't eat it. Thank you, Sean. Merry Christmas again.